Let function f be defined, f of x squared plus 6, if b is a positive real number such that f of 3 of b is equal to 2 times f of b. What is the value of b? So let f of 3 of b, let's find what it is. So instead of the x squared, we are plugging in 3b. So instead of the x squared plus 6. So f of 3b is going to be equal, so 3 squared is a 9, b squared plus 6. So we already found f of 3 of b. Now we are finding 2f of b. So we are plugging in here in this original function, in the function f. So we have here a 2. And instead of the x squared plus 6, we are plugging here in b squared plus 6. So 2f of b is going to be equal to b squared plus 12. And now we want to find out in this equation here to equate f of 3 of b equal with 2f of b. So if we are equating here, then we are going to have, so instead of f of 3 of b, we have this here, which happen to be 9b squared plus 6 is equal with a 2b squared plus 12. And now we are going both sides. We are going minus 6 in this side and minus 6 in the other side, and also minus 2b squared in this side and minus 2b squared in this side. So 9b squared minus 2b squared is a 7b squared. And this is going to be equal, because this one we can cancel. And now 2b squared with a 2b squared we can cancel. And here we have 12, plus 12 minus 6 is a 6. And everything here we are dividing by 7. And if we divide it by 7, everything, so we have here divided by 7 and here divided by 7. And from this implies 7 with a 7 can simplify, and b squared is equal with a 6 divided by 7. If we are taking the square root of both sides, then what we are going to get, we get a b is equal to plus minus square root of 6 divided by 7. So that's what we have here. But now because we needed to find the b is a positive value, is a positive real number, so we are taking just the positive value here. We are not taking this minus value, negative value. And b, so let me write better this b. So b is equal with the square root of 6 divided by square root of 7. So this is a value. But if we want to, for example, to rationalize the denominator, we can multiply by a square root of 7 both sides. And this is going to be 6 times 7 is a 42 divided by square root of 7 times square root of 7 is just 7. So in other words, so b is going to be equal with the square root of 42 divided by 7. So this is the value of b.